Our story begins in an apartment in Copenhagen, where we had just read a very disturbing article about the long-term dangers of bad dental care, which got us thinking about how this ancient and unsophisticated way of brushing our teeth that we use today couldn't possibly be the most effective way to brush.
After that conversation, we decided to improve the modern-day toothbrush, and that has been our goal since that day. That's why we are so pleased to introduce UNOBRUSH.
Introducing the new way of brushing your teeth, something that hasn't changed in 500 years. With micro-cleaning friction power and 360-degree wrap sonic technology, the new UNOBRUSH is 2 times more effective than regular toothbrushes and cleans 99.9% of your teeth surface. Plus, it brushes all of your teeth at once in only 6 seconds. It's easy to store, clean, and charge with the minimalist Danish-designed UV light docking station that eliminates significant cleanliness flaws with today's toothbrushes. The UNOBRUSH has earned numerous awards worldwide, including the most innovative product by Microsoft. It's the world's first anti-cavity toothbrush that combines an ergonomic mouthpiece, patent-pending 360-degree wrapping UNOfoam, and pulsing sonic vibrations that deliver a refreshing clean to your mouth, teeth, and gums, unlike anything you've ever experienced.
We have a mission. We want to make good oral hygiene easy and accessible for everyone, and we want you to help us.
This is UNOBRUSH,
A solution that cleans all the teeth simultaneously using our specially developed 360-degree wrapping UNOfoam, a patent-pending oral care technology that forms to every tooth and is proven to be more effective at cleaning teeth while protecting gum health. This means you don't have to brush for 120 seconds, but instead, just 6. To clean the teeth, UNOBRUSH uses UNOfoam, our patent-pending medical-grade sponge-like material developed through extensive R&D. UNOfoam is embedded with micro-ridges coated in a crisscross pattern to create micro-cleaning friction. This way, bacteria and plaque are removed, leaving you with a clean mouth and fresh feeling. You'll store UNOBRUSH in the docking station that is designed in Denmark. It works as a charging station, but also sterilizes the UNOBRUSH using UV light. For the design, we were inspired by famous Danish architects and NASA-shaped technology. Altogether, UNOBRUSH combines a stunning appearance on the outside with advanced patent-pending technology on the inside. UNOBRUSH arrives as a complete kit with a 1-year warranty to ensure your 100% satisfaction. We paired UNOfoam with sonic vibrations and fluid wave technology that work together to flow toothpaste between each and every tooth and below the gum line, getting into places a manual toothbrush can't reach.
Thank you for watching. Now let's change the world for the better.
It's been a lot of long nights, meetings with hundreds of different people that have been very experienced and very knowledgeable in order for us to gain the knowledge that has been possible for us to design such an advanced and complex product. But now we're here and we're very excited to see the positive feedback that you guys have given us.
We know the only way we can change the way we brush is together. So let's put an end to the ancient, less effective, and time-consuming way of toothbrushing.